A concise overview of Shopify POS. Shopify Point of Sale is a robust and all-encompassing point-of-sale system that assists retail business owners in streamlining their retail operations. It provides a broad variety of capabilities, ranging from inventory management to customer relationship management, that make it simpler for retailers to run their operations. These features make it easier for merchants to manage their customers. Let's take a more in-depth look at the features that this widely used POS system has to offer. How about we talk about how easy it is to use and how affordable it is? Shopify POS is a solution that is available at an inexpensive price for small business owners that are just getting started. The Shopify e-commerce service comes with the Lite plan already installed, but if you upgrade to a higher plan, you'll have access to even more capabilities. In addition to this, it is simple to use. Setting up your store will only take a few minutes, and the user-friendly interface will make it simple for you to begin making sales right away. To consult with authority about Shopify Point of Sale, please click the link provided below. This brings us to the next topic, inventory management. Utilizing Shopify's point of sale system comes with a number of key benefits, chief among them being its comprehensive inventory management features. You can simply add new items, change old ones with just a few clicks, and keep an eye on the current inventory levels at any given moment. And if you have more than one retail location or warehouse, you can easily synchronize the information across all of them so that everyone is aware of when the inventory needs to be restocked. Keep in mind the importance of customer relationship management, or CRM. Shopify also offers robust customer relationship management solutions that you can use to keep track of your customers and create lasting connections with them over time. You may check client profiles and their purchase history to acquire a better knowledge of their purchasing patterns. You can then utilize this information to build targeted campaigns and promotions that are specially designed to meet the requirements of each individual consumer. In addition, you are able to collect customers' contact information, such as email addresses and phone numbers, before they leave your business, allowing you to maintain a relationship with them after they have gone. Store owners who are searching for an economical yet comprehensive point-of-sale system will find that Shopify POS is an efficient and successful option. Its features make it simple for you to manage your inventory, collect data from customers, and offer personalized service, all while assisting you in remaining organized and operating your retail business in an effective manner. Shopify Point of Sale is an option that should be considered if you are searching for a product that can handle all of your company's needs. Simply click on the link provided below to begin a private session with an industry professional who can address any concerns you may have.